葱爆牛肉, stir-fried green onion beef, is a Chinese daily dish quick to prepare. This dish is successful if the beef, once sautéed, is very tender. To do this, we combine 3 techniques: the cut, the marinade with a little baking soda, and the quick cooking. Start by marinating the meat. For this, cut 10 ounces of tenderloin beef. Here is the direction of the fibers. To get a very tender beef, you must cut slices perpendicular to the fibers. Cut them with a thickness of 1/4 of an inch. Thinner, they would cook too quickly and lose their juice. The meat would be dry. Put them in a mixing bowl. To marinate them, mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with half tablespoon of water. Put it with the meat. Mix well. It will make the meat very tender. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of shaoxing cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix and let it rest while preparing the other ingredients. Remove the skin from a piece of ginger. Cut to obtain ½ ounce of thin slices. Also cut 3 cloves of garlic into thin slices. Put them with the ginger. Cut 1 sweet pepper into pieces. Cut 5 ounces of green onions into pieces, separating the white and green parts. Preheat a pan over high heat. Mix the beef to separate the pieces. When the pan is very hot, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the marinated beef. Constantly stir for 45 seconds. Keep aside. In the same pan, still over high heat, put 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add the garlic and ginger. Stir for 15 seconds. Add the sweet pepper. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the beef, the white part of green onions, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, and pour 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce around the edge of the pan. Stir for 15 seconds. The soy sauce, in contact with the heat of the pan, caramelizes slightly and gives a delicious flavor. Finally add the green part of the onions. Briefly mix and turn off the heat. The stir-fried green onion beef is ready. Enjoy with jasmine rice. Bon appétit! The pieces of meat are very tender and tasty. The green onions, when sautéed, have a sweet taste. Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.